Step into the Kia 2020 Niro Touring Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic with auto-shift transmission. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.